Tesla Cybertruck demonstrates agility and acceleration in new video. This is a funny play on like, what do you call that? Perspective? Because the Cybertruck actually looks smaller than the VW.
Yeah, you're right.
But you know it's not. You can even see how far away the guys in the vehicle are sitting from each other. It's obviously wider. So what do we have here? Are we doing some slalom, some dancing around?
This might be your new car.
Let's go,
This
it
looks
says.
unreal, eh?
Unreal.
So it's
Unreal Engine. Oh, it's whipping.
this Cybertruck is just doing some tests.
Whipping.
It's a beta. Just driving around the city, and there's a car that's following them.
Whoa, easy there.
And you see this giant truck just trying to maneuver itself. It's kind of cool and interesting.
It's almost kind of showing off a little bit. Like, look at me, I'm nimble.
Yeah.
I'm a big truck, but I got 4-wheel steering or something. So it looks like at one moment there at least. And you can see the guy on the bike. He's just standing. He's like, whoa, there it is. That's the
He's in
Cybertruck.
awe.
Right here. Bam, 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 bam.
Yeah.
Suspension looks nice and squishy. Yeah, exciting stuff. I guess we're progressing
It's got the hubcaps.
ever closer to our Warthog future.
Does this change your
Electric
opinion?
Warthog. Oh, yeah.
It's getting more optimistic.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
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 All right.